Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mila B. Today I am trying out a wig that I received from Luvme hair. So I will put the link to the wig in the description box. It came with a cute little note, the bag. It comes with this cute little pink and black bag, and when you open it up, it has a comb, an elastic band, some, the little wax, little stick or whatever to tame the flyaways, some bobby pins, some tweezers, and a little clip that says "Love Me." It also comes with a wig cap. Now, this lady face was funny looking at me. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm childish. But anyways, it comes with that wig cap. It has 2 in the pack. And it comes with some little direction paper. I thought that was Kenya Moore, y'all. I had to do a double take. But anyways, that's it. So when I open it up, the most important part was the wig. So I'm not about that whole braid down right now. This is the first time I've worn a wig in over a year. So I just plaited my hair in the back while it was wet, put like a little wig cap on, and put it on. Now, this is not like an in-depth tutorial on how I apply my lace wigs, because I'm going to be honest with you, it's been a long time. So anyways, when I open up my wig, this is a full lace wig, but that's what it said in the description box. So I'll turn it inside out so you guys can see what it looks like. There you go. Oh, right there. It comes with some clips. I was hoping it had an elastic band already on, but it doesn't. So I'll add that later. But I just want to fit it on my head. Now, I am part of the hashtag Small Forehead Club. So my issue with lace wigs is always the hairline. It's either too forward or too back, but I kind of tamed all that off camera. So you'll just see me spraying some Got to Be Freeze spray, and then I tied it down and I let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. You can use a blow dryer, but I was doing other stuff, so I just let it sit until it was ready for me. I like to use the eyebrow razor to cut the lace off, and as y'all can see, I had kind of sprayed down the cap as well because I was trying to do 2 in 1 so I didn't have to double work, but I ended up having to go back and fix it because the cap still rolled. But anyways, right here, I'm just cutting the lace. Make sure it's not too perfect of a line. Don't mind my little baby hairs in the front because, like I said before, I have a small forehead. So I usually kind of leave those little corners out and just kind of swoop and make it look a little bit more natural. So after I came back, I did have to fix the cap underneath. So right there, you kind of see me just basically saying forget it, and I'm just going to squeeze it back. So I come back with some more Got to Be Freeze spray. I spray it again, and I tie it down one more time. So this is the hair at the end. The hair is very soft, very manageable. It didn't really hold too much of a curl, so I think I'm going to re-curl it using a little holding spray. So I really do like the hair so far. I'll definitely come back with an update and let you guys know how this hair was. But thank y'all for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.